This conference will now be recorded.
Guys, good morning. So we'll go for the collection Java 8 features. If you go for the Java 8 features, tell me for the Java 8 features. How many classes done Java 8 features? Almost a 7 classes done, huh? 7 completed, huh? Okay, good. Today is like 8th session. Because last class I think we talked about the collection data sorting, right? Sorting operation. Because today also we'll go for one example about the sorting, huh? But I told you that the class number how much? Class number? 8. Class 8. So previously data sorting, we done just basic string data. I given one assignment like integer data. You try to finish that. Okay. Data sorting employee object data. Employee object data. Let me work you one example on object data, guys. Just let me take the employee class. And I told you that how many ways you can do the sorting among how many approaches there are. Uh, there are there are 3 ways, no? There are 3 ways to sort the data. Otherwise, let me write them. Class 1 lambda, class 2 for each, class 3 filter. Class 3 is what? Class 3 filter. Class 4 also filter. Class 5 map. Class 5 is what? Map. And class 5 also map with the object data. Class 6. Next one is what? Class 7 reduce. We don't want you to reduce. Class 8, we're going for the sorting, last class. Today is a class, this is 8. Today is a class 9. That's what, 9. Good, good. So at least you have the clarity about all the classes when you write something. No? Previous classes, what we done? Lambda, for each, filter, map, reduce. Today is a class 9th also what? Sorting, right? There are 3 ways to go to sorting. What is what? Collections dot sort method. One is what? Collection dot sort method, first one. Next one is what? Tell me. List dot what? Sort method. Third one is what? Stream dot sort, right? Stream dot sorted, right? Stream dot what? Sorted. So 3 ways, so collections dot sorted, list dot sorted, stream dot sorted. Mostly now we are using what? List dot sort only. Collection dot sort is outdated one. List dot sort. List dot sort, we can write the which object list dot sort expecting comparator. Which object? Comparator. You write the lambda expression for the comparator because comparator is expecting one method, compare method. That implementation you can write. Comparator is function interface, right? 3 ways. Now I'll implement using list dot sort and stream dot sort. Get the point, right? Yes. Coming to this example, guys, let me write the code. We'll get the clarity. So right click here, go for the new project. So create a, so you can make the Java mode, Eclipse side in the Java mode. Go to the file menu, click on the new. I want to click what? Class. Because what the class package name is what? No, we need to create a project first. File menu, click on the new Java project. What the project name, guys? Here, sorting example. Sorting example object. Sorting example and whatever object data. Click on finish. The sorting example src folder. Yes, can you please take the first one list employee class. Yes, give the package name com.tcs. Sorting com.correction.sorting, something like this. Package name is class name is what? Test. Otherwise sorting example. So click on main method, click on the finish. Oh, first you need to take the employee class, otherwise new. I want to take one more class, like what the class name gets? Employee class. Yes, employee class contains what the data, tell me. Employee ID, tell me employee name and what? String double employee salary. Yes, during object creation, I need to initialize the data source, generate what? Constructor using fields. Select the 3 fields constructor generated. To get all the details, how can you get all the details? Two-string method. Source, hmm, yes, override generate what? Two-string method, right? Generate all the values. Get the point of generate two-string method, right? Yes. My constructor to initialize all the values, two-string method to returns all the values. When the two-string method got executed, when you print the object, when you print what? Object, right? Exactly. Yes, let me take the list of employees first. Just to take the list of employee, tell me, list of what? EMP. List of EMP, EMP is equal to arrays dot. Tell me guys, arrays dot what? Arrays dot as list. Arrays dot as list of. Tell me guys what we can do. Arrays dot as list of. You can add employee object, right? New EMP. New employee, employee ID you can print. Employee name is written. Employee salary is something like 10,000.56. First object, comma. Like this, we can add some employee objects. Yes, first employee, second employee, third employee, fourth employee, fifth employee. Total how many employees I have in my total? Five employees. Better, better to go with the five employees. Better to go with the five employees. Yes, yes, like this. Get the point, right? Triple one, like 23, like 11, like 18, like this one is the 56. This one take some random numbers because I need to sort, right? 89. Got the point, huh? Something like here, yeah, fine. 34, something like this. That's 10,000, 30,000, so 80,000, for 20,000, and what? 90,000, something like this, right? 90,000, you can make it as a 40,000. You got the point, right? Yes. Because employees are ready. Can you please sort the data? Sort the which data? EMP data based on what? Based on the employee name, employee salary, employee employee name, Ratan, Anu. We can write like Chilaka. We can write like Malaka, and we can write like Pilaka. At the point, right? Yeah. Because I need to sort the data based on the first of all what you want to tell me first ID. But to perform the sorting operation, make sure that this data should be integer. Why means you need to call the compare to method sorting operation. Employee ID sorting operation means we need to call the compare to, right? Compare to method you can call only an object data. Can we call the equals? No. Only if it is integer means I can call the equals and compare to method, right? That's it. Yes. Now let me go for the list dot sort. List dot sort is what? I told you clearly in previous video. It expecting which object? Comparator. Comparator normal function interface. Function. If you click on which method? Compare method. These implementations you are writing here. Lambda expression, right? Put the arrow first. Arguments. It expecting how many arguments? Two arguments. T means type. Type O1 and type O2, right? Exactly. Because here, tell me yes, before arrow E1 comma E2. Because why E1 E2 means first value it has to take a assume like E1. It has to compare with all the E1 dot EID dot compare to of E2 dot EID. I told you clearly which method? Compare method. The compare method internally doing the sorting using which method? Compare to method. Compare method internally using which method? Compare to method as implementations to perform the sorting operation, right? To perform what? Sorting operation. Exactly. What? For each method, just to print the data. For each MPS dot what? For each. For each of what? This is out control space. EMP just we need to print, right? That's it, guys. Two string execute now when I'm printing two string executor, two string returns all the data or not? Yeah. So what is the expected answer, guys? I need to sort this data based on what employee ID. 18, 11, 20, 11, 18, 23, 34, 56. Sorted. You please tell me. Descending order means what we need to do? Here simply put the minus. You get the data in descending order. 56, 34, 23, 18, 11. Instead of E2, here you can make the E1. That is also reversed. That is also what reversed. We got the output, right? Same output. Either you can put the minus. Uh, we'll now print the descending order of employee name. Descending order of employee name. Dot emps dot what sort operator object. As usual, these arguments are yes, e1 dot ename dot compare to of e2 dot ename. Sorting is based on what is done based on the name, right? You print the data as usual. This line you can copy paste here. Complete, complete. That's it. You need to very simple code. Sorting is all operations. Name is check the name Anu, Chilaka, Malaka, Pilaka, Ratan. Started not started, Amma? Started. Anu, Chilaka, Malaka, Pilaka, Ratan. Fine. You got the point, huh? This is like EMPS dot sort based on the employee name or something like that, and sort the data using which method, Amma? List dot sort. List dot what, Amma? Sort. The list dot sort means this is what type of data list, right? Directly EMPS dot sort method we are calling or not? Yes or no? Yes. Collection dot sort not required because collection dot sort we have to write again. We have to pass that object to this argument, right? That is outdated. List dot sort is good. Next one is what, ma? Sorted. Which method, ma? Sorted that based on stream. Stream means what? We can apply some more methods. What methods? Filters, mappers, right? Filters on what? Mappers. Now the question is, can you please filter the employees which are less than 50,000, less than what? 50,000. Print the data, ascending order of salaries. Ascending order of what? Salaries. Print the data ascending order of what? Salary. What the question tell me? Filter the employees which is less than 50,000. Less than what? 50,000. Filter the employees which is salary is less than what? 50,000. Then we need to print the salaries ascending order. Salaries ascending order. Then tell me the code here. EMPS dot first of all get the stream object dot filter, write the predicate condition EMP object. What do you want to perform? EMP dot e salary which is less than or equal to 50,000. It means only records will get, tell me, ma, except 80,000. Except Chilaka remaining all will get. So except Chilaka remaining all. How can you do the ma? Sorted. We can write what, ma? Sorted. Sorted means here we have to write the logic again. What the logic here? E1 comma E2 E1 dot E salary dot compare to coming or not coming, not coming. Why? Because the salary is double type. Data type means compare to whether working or not working, not working. Then you have to make a double class. Wrapper class. Yes. If it is a wrapper class means can I call the compare to method? No, coming properly. Then E2 dot what, is salary. Bus. Dot I want to print the data for each. For each of what, EMP arrow. Sys out control space. See guys, the code is very beautiful. Code is what? Very beautiful. Your comments also should be beautiful. Write the comments properly. Write the comments because these days the students will come to the classes by watching the comments basically. Like the video, comment the video, subscribe to RATAN SIR channel to get the more videos. And share the videos to your friends. Share just playlist link to your friends, families, relatives, neighbors, enemies. Enemies also. Then you will start doing friendship with you. Trollers of them, then they'll troll. Uh, you get the point, right? You stop jump like it is our meta batch. You listen the class first. Huh? Uh, do you know jump like it? Topic is what? Expected output is what? Expected output చెప్పనమ్మా 10,000 10 20 30 40 10 10 20 30 and what amma 40. Run this code, check the last output ones. 80 coming or not coming? 80 not coming and remainder coming order wise, right? Salary is ascending order 10,000 20,000 30,000 40,000. Clear up? Salary is ascending order. Sorry? First you write in the notebook how we will get that salaries are these both, then we will discuss. Question is wrong, right? Salaries here sorted means here how can you sort? It be mismatch, right? But I will teach you this example at the end of the this Java 8 page next class mostly. Maybe your requirement is like this actually. Maybe you are not asking like the proper way, but this requirement is like this. Here product IDs are there. Sort based on the ID. If IDs are same, sort the data based on the name. Names are same, sort the data based on the caste. That is possibilities. IDs are one. 222 sorted based on the name. 333 laptop is same. Then caste. IDs are same. Then sort the data based on the name. Names also same. Laptop. Then here caste should be in the descending order. Generally the reports you can see like this basically. Okay, you got the point, right? Yes, but this is the data case. You run this output is coming up. Yes. Because next one is you please filter the filter condition. Yeah, one more last point we can write. What the condition you want tell me? But you understood right enough. Ascending order, descending order, that is up to you. Here you can put the minus means what? That is ascending and descending order. Descending order, right? Then salaries are coming as a descending order. First what 40,000, next to 30,000, next to 20,000, next what? 10,000. Got the point, right? Yes. We clear up? That's information. Any questions? EMPS dot sort, this is descending order. EMPS dot sort, this is ascending order. This is list dot sort. This is like a stream sorted. What the difference means? If I directly write only sort means there is no difference, right? Stream and this one. That's what stream API we can apply methods, filters, mappers. You can apply the operation. You can filter the data, then you can sort it. You can filter on what you can sort it. Like you can take some product example, you can do some sorting operations. You take some product example and what you try with some different data. You try to execute this example, get the clarity. When you do the more practicals only, you get this kind of examples. It's not like that much. Need to check functional interface. One day feels difficulties, 2 days feel difficulties, but when you start writing, you will enjoy this type of coding part. Because control space working, okay, sort method are expecting comparator object or comparator function interface, write a compare method. Compare method implementation, that compare method implementation internally sorting is done based on which method comparator method. Because you got the point up. Yes, because here we have the null value, then tell me situation, then one of the object is null object, then one of the object is what null object, then if you run this code, it won't be null pointer exception, because E1 is what null. E1 is what null. But we can achieve this using streams. If you run this code, you get which exception null pointer exception. But in the streams we have the option, right? If filter. filter emp arrow emp not equal to null, not equal to what, null. Then this guy will filter the only the people that which are not equal to null, right? Or no? Then run this code. ఇక్కడ null null, yes. If now run this code you get output or not. While sorting, make sure that the data should not contain null the data should not contain what, null. But even the null is there. If you want sort the data, you can go for what, a stream API. In the stream, what we can do, you filter the null. Without null data filter, then you can apply sorting operation, right? That is option. Previously we have the option like, put the option, do you want to perform the sorting means your data should be without null data, without empty values. But this code will work or not equal to null, then only you can sort it. But this data will work or no? List dot sort will work or not work, not work. We need to apply some conditions, extra conditions with you. But this is filter is good, right? Filter is what, good option. Is it clear? That is the data. That is the data. Observation with what, null value. Observation with what? Actually, null value, right? Plus. Clear? That is starting with what data, object data. Starting with what? Object data. Guys, like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos. Thank you guys. Bye.